we're back to learning Illustrator in the year day 100. Let me show you the font basics. So we use the type tool to use the short key. Left click on your canvas, and this time we'll replace the placeholder here, the lorem ipsum, by simply typing something in. And you can reactivate this element by using the type tool, left clicking on it. Let me make that more fonts, and I'll hold Shift when I resize it to keep the aspect ratio. And at the top, you can now see the character option, and the first one is the font family, the second one the font style. And let me place the text a little bit more downwards, and then we can see properly. When you hover over these font families, the text will be directly changed, so you can see the effect applied in real time. It certainly helps to find a good font if you don't really know what to pick. The default should be Myriad Pro. If you use something else, I'm gonna mention that specifically. And some of these fonts have a drop down and some don't, and there's simply the font style. So some fonts come with inbuilt font styles, others don't. Myriad Pro by default has regular and bold, and you can pick that also here in the second drop down. For example, here Lucida handwriting only has an italic style, so we can't pick something else here. And you can see that it's indicated by not having a drop-down. There by default a lot of fonts inbuilt, but I'm also going to show you how you can add fonts over the course of this playlist. And once again, we're going to use Myriad Pro for the most part. Here, for example, Arc Mean Variable Concept. This is a font that has a lot of styles to offer. Right next to it, the first drop-down is the font size. So here you can adjust the size. But again, you can also hold Shift and then left click drag on the corners to do that on the canvas. But if you need a specific font size, type it in numerically right there. So these are the first three drop-downs, and you can also find them on the right hand side under properties. Properties should be active, but if you can't find it, go to Window, click on Properties, and you must be sure that the element is selected, and then you can see that on the right hand side. Once again, font family, font style, and font size. And these are the three basic adjustment options for your text. And we're going to move on to the other parameters in the next videos. I hope this one was helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.